Namaste, Teachers Couple Talk channel. Now, today I can explain to you very most important video. This is the viral video in social media. Now I can explain to the ARMIDILLOS. It is the mammalian organism. Before we are going to this video, please subscribe my channel and like and share to the others. Now we are getting to the video. ARMIDILLOS means a little armed ones in the Spanish, or New World placental mammalian in the order Ungulata. This organism belongs to the Darwinian kingdom. This phylum is Chordata, class Mammalia. Armadillo are characterized by the leathery armor, shell and long ship. Claws are for digging. They have short legs but can move quite quickly. The average length of an armadillo is about 75 centimeters, including its tail. The length of the armadillo grows up to 150 centimeters and weight up to 54 kgs, while the pink fairy armadillo has a length of only 12 or 15 centimeters. The armadillo, it can design like a ball shape. Treated by a predator, the characteristics of ARMIDILLOS. The smallest pieces of armadillo, the pink fairy armadillo, weight around 85 grams and is 30 centimeters or 50 centimeters. The largest species, the giant armadillo, can weigh up to 54 kgs and can be 150 centimeters long. Diet and predation. The diets of different armadillo species vary about the consists of mainly of insects, groups and other invertebrates. Some species, however, feed almost entirely on ants and treat termites. They are public diggers. Many species use their sharp claws to dig or food, such as grubs, and to dig dens. The 9-banded armadillo prefer to build burrows in most soil near the creeks, streams and arroyos around which it is and feeds. Armadillo have very full eyes and use their keen sense of smell to hunt of food. They use their claws for digging and finding food, as well as for making their homes in burrows. They dig their burrows in their claws, making only a single corridor. The width of the animal's body. They have five clawed toes in their hind feet. The three to five toes with the high digging claws on their 4 feet. Armadillo have numerous check teeth and which are not divided into the premolars and molars, but usually have incisors or canines. The difference of the 9-banded armadillo body temperature. of armadillo. In common with other genantans, armadillo in general have low body temperature of 30 to 36 degrees, 91 to 97 Fahrenheit, and low basal metabolic rates, 40 to 60% of the excited placental mammalian of their mass. These are particularly true to the type of that specialize in the using termites as their primary food source of example. The armor is formed by the plates of dermal bone covered in the relatively small overlapping epidermal scales called stutes, which are composed of keratin. The skin of armadillo can glow under ultraviolet. Most species have rigged shields over the shoulders and hips with a number of bands separated by the flexible skin covering the back to and flanks. Additional armor covers to top of the head, the upper parts of the limbs and the tail, the underside. The animal is never armed to the simply covered with the soft skin and fur. These armor-like skin appear to be an important to defense many armadillos difference behavior. When treated by a predator, polyphytes species frequently roll into a ball. Other armadillo species cannot roll off because they have too many fillets. The North American 9-bonded armadillo tends to jump straight in the air when surprised, so consequently often calls with the undercarriage of a fender passing the vehicle, it's dismissed. Armadillo have a short legs but can move quite quickly. The 9-bonded armadillo is noted for its movement through water, which is accomplished via two different methods. It can walk underwater for short distance, holding its breath for as long as 6 minutes, also to cross longer bodies of water. It is capable increasing its buoyancy, swallowing air, inflating its stomach and intestine. Reproduction. The gestation lasts from 60 to 120 days of depending on species. Although the 9-bonded armadillo also exhibits delayed implementation, so the young are not typically born for 8 months after mating. Most member of the genus Daspus give birth to 4 monozygotic young, but other species may have typical later sizes that range 1 to 8. The young are born with a soft leathery skin which hundreds within a few weeks. They reach sexual maturity in their 12 months. Depending on these specials, armadillo are solitary animals that do not share their burrow with the other adults. So, you can interesting this video. Please subscribe my channel and like and give a comment as your opinion on this video. Please share to others. Next, I will come to you with one more beautiful content video. Please let us stay connected to us.